Yeah.
What's up? How y'all doing?
We back. Yeah, I'm excited. We're back. I'm not gonna go into details as to why we took a pause. Very long pause. I don't have my ring. Can you get my ring? Y'all know how I feel when
She
you
don't never wear her ring.
I've been married for like 4 years now.
I've been married, bro.
As y'all can tell about the title, we have International TNB. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to do this for so long. We haven't opened these. We just got them. Like,
Can I open it?
I don't even know.
Out.
I don't know what kind this is. So we're gonna be in for a surprise right along with y'all. Let's get straight
Let's
into
get
it.
into
Oh,
it.
this is from TribeTreats.com. No, we're not getting paid or anything for to do this. Why do you have a knife?
It's like open.
We got scissors. And you got paid for that. Alright. That's so cute. Look at that.
Yeah, I look for all things.
Okay, I'm gonna sit up here where I can see it in my
Just head off.
no. Alright, let's see where we have candy from.
Right.
Germany.
Oh, Jamal.
Oh, that's so cute. Okay, guys, we're gonna read this real quick.
I can't read German.
What is that word? Gluten?
Gluten. It's gluten. It's gluten.
Okay. Chocolate is so beloved in Germany that Germany is actually the world's second largest consumer of chocolate. Did you not know that?
We going to
Fun fact. As you dig in your box this month, you will find some of the most popular brands in Germany represented, such as Milka, Taste Buds. Okay, check. Explore Germany with treats, population, and all that extra. Alright, here's the good stuff. What's inside your box? Curly by Lorenz.
Say curly.
Oh, just this one on top. Oh, I don't think you can eat these. She's allergic. Okay. Curly by Lorenz. It's peanut. No, I don't know. Let me read it. Curly by Lorenz is a delectable corn snack covered in freshly ground peanuts. Wonderfully crunchy in texture with a mouth-watering, savory taste that melts on your tongue. Well, I'm straight on them trying to make it sound good. Y'all, I ain't even feel like to you. I do not like peanuts. It smells like peanut butter though. Like I could do peanuts and peanut butter. Let's call it. I could do peanuts with peanut butter. Do peanut butter.
It's just peanut. It's like they dipped it in peanut butter. That's what it looks like.
I'm so nervous about this.
What it taste like?
And it's really not that bad. It tastes like raw peanuts. But
With a crunch.
yeah, with just crunch. It's really not bad. Mama might like it. Mama and Gary. Pretty sure they'll like it. She makes mine. Salt Licks by Lorenz. What did I say on the first one?
Curly.
Did I say Curly by Lorenzo? Or did I say Lorenzo? Salt Licks by Lorenz are favorite pretzels baked at crispy golden hue. When Salt Licks appear, it officially time to snack. I'm so straight on the whole little background. I'm trying to give a little background story on the dang on food. Okay. Salt Licks. Let's try. Bro. They're pretzels.
I know they're pretzels. That's what I'm trying to say. The pretzel, open the I can eat pretzels.
Okay. That's what the bag looks like.
Pretzels.
Sorry, y'all.
Give me some of those things first.
Don't stick all in your mouth, friend.
Show y'all how to eat pretzels. Y'all ready? Here we go.
They're really good, too. I love me some pretzels.
good.
It's really good.
That's really
They
good.
all fresh and stuff.
I'll put this in my salad.
You will not.
I would.
Leo by Milka. Leo by Milka are tasty wafer cookies layered with delicate cream filling and coated in a thick coat of milk chocolate. Freaking Kit Kat.
That's a Kit Kat.
I swear it's like a Kit Kat.
It looks like
It's
Kit
called
Kat.
Leo.
That's
I bet it's like, yeah, I bet. You like German chocolate cake, right?
Oh, I
Ain't this what it's
love
called?
German chocolate.
Oh, it had melted. I guess on the way here.
You know you German chocolate, girl.
It look like, I'm sorry, I keep thinking upside down.
Yeah, a piece of that Kit Kat. Yeah, that's a Kit Kat.
That's definitely a Kit Kat. Is it a Kit Kat?
It got a slight buttermilk or milk kind of taste in it. It's good though.
It's high, you think so? I'm gonna put it on MasterChef, take a look. If they smell it that much, I'd be like, fine. Don't worry about it. Like, a white chocolate.
Hey, look. That's what I taste.
Mm.
Sound like a little marshmallow. That was good.
Yeah, well, that's good. That's really good.
Chocolate and pretzels, you can't go wrong.
Alright. Bueno by Kinder. Kinder Buenos. I don't know if I'm
Bueno.
saying that right.
Bueno.
Are crispy chocolate covered racer bars with a rich hazelnut cream filling. They come wrapped in 2 individual sealed packs. Let's try it.
What is that?
Bueno, Kinder, whatever this is. I'm excited. It looks
Man,
pretty
open
good.
the package. Yeah,
That's right. Uh-oh, what's that now? It is huge.
Bueno.
It does come with the little packages.
I know you go overseas. Okay.
Yeah, we some little fat people when it come down to
Can
Kinder.
I eat that?
Yeah.
That's what she said.
Right here. Oh.
It's like a wafer. I don't like that. I made it for y'all though.
Oh, that's so good.
That's nasty.
Oh, man. Oh, you know what it's like? You know them little balls I be eating? The look. Now like this. Y'all know what I'm talking about. It's some little round balls in a gold paper. It's wrapped in gold paper. Finish your head.
I ain't got nothing like some Skittles or something.
I know, because I don't really do all this
I
chocolate.
don't do all the chocolate, man.
I like chocolate.
High blood pressure.
High blood pressure. Chocolate bars by Kinder. What? It's because it's Germany. They know for chocolate.
Chocolate Skittles. Oh,
Kinder
chocolate Skittles.
Kinder chocolates are individually wrapped chocolate sticks with a creamy milk filling. You're not gonna like that. Introduced in 1957, it's one of the most. I keep doing it.
What you mean? I'm like no cream
I
filling.
think you're not.
Yeah.
I say you're not gonna like it.
I know I ain't gonna like it. You gonna like it.
If you're feeling adventurous, we recommend trying some of these frozen. Oh, I wish you could have frozen. I didn't know about that. But, oh, wait. Y'all see, got the little minions on there. I wonder, is that what the minions language is? German.
I think it is.
Really?
I'm gonna Google it.
It's in these little square looking things.
Shaking out a little
Okay, let's try it.
white stuff coming out. How is the cream filling?
God, it's so thick. I'm setting myself up for the kill, bro.
You take it
It
like
is the thickest chocolate I've ever seen. I've
take it
ever
like a soldier,
tasted.
baby. Take it like a soldier.
Like that. Maybe I didn't eat it frozen. Like cold. Maybe.
Seriously.
Okay, guys. So, if you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up and comment below. Man, share us, do something. Just help us get out there, you know.
Bruh.
Put us on the map so we can entertain more people. But yeah, like up this video, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, welcome to the fam. If you have subscribed, welcome to the fam.
We back now though.
We said that last time.
Now we got Martians, so like we had went to the moon the first time, but then it was like
We said that last time.
like I said.
We love y'all, fam. And we will get back to y'all later. I'm gonna miss y'all. I just love
What the-
Bye.